Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to claim missing cashback in Rakuten effortlessly. We all love earning cashback while shopping online, but sometimes transactions don't track correctly. Not to worry, we're here to guide you through the process step by step. Firstly, log into your Rakuten account and navigate to the Accounts section. Look for the option that says Missing Cashback or Cashback Inquiries. Click on that and proceed to the next step. Once you're in the Missing Cashback section, you'll need to provide some details regarding the transaction for which you didn't receive cashback. Fill in the necessary information such as the store name, purchase amount, and date of purchase. It's essential to be as accurate as possible to expedite the process. Rakuten's support team will use this information to investigate the missing cashback and resolve the issue for you. After submitting your inquiry, keep an eye on your email associated with Rakuten. They may reach out for additional details or to provide updates on the status of your inquiry. It's crucial to respond promptly and provide any requested information to ensure a swift resolution. Once Rakuten has reviewed your case, they will update you on the outcome. If your missing cashback claim is approved, the cashback amount will typically be credited to your Rakuten account within a specified time frame. And there you have it. Claiming missing cashback in Rakuten is as simple as that. Remember, it's normal for cashback to go missing occasionally, but with Rakuten's efficient support system, you can rest assured knowing they'll strive to resolve the issue promptly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.